Today, we're going to talk about a must-have for maintaining your garden, the electric hedge trimmer, Einhell GE-EH 7067. With its 71 cm blade and 700 W power, it promises clean and precise cuts. Whether you have shrubs to trim or hedges to maintain, this model seems to check all the boxes. If you're looking for a high-performing trimmer at a reasonable price, stick around until the end. And of course, you'll find the link in the description. The Einhell GE-EH 7067 features a functional design with an optimized grip. Its body made of aluminum and alloy steel ensures both durability and lightness, while remaining easy to handle at just 3.73 kilograms. Its cutting width of 67 centimeters allows you to work efficiently on large areas, while providing a good balance between precision and speed. It also comes with a protective sheath to ensure maximum safety during storage. With 700 watts of power, this trimmer delivers up to 3,000 cuts per minute, ensuring a clean and precise cut. Its hardened steel blades, laser cut and diamond sharpened, provide exceptional durability and excellent cutting quality. The steel gear helps extend the lifespan of the motor. Its well-balanced weight and ergonomic design reduce fatigue, even during extended use. In addition, it has an intuitive safety switch for quick and secure handling. In terms of safety, it features a two-hand system that instantly stops the blades if needed, along with a wide hand guard and aluminum protection on the blades, preventing any risk of debris flying around. A stop system helps absorb shocks when trimming close to the ground or along walls, preserving the integrity of the blades and extending their lifespan. Designed for users looking to maintain their garden with ease, this trimmer is particularly effective on medium to dense hedges thanks to its 30 mm tooth spacing. Its weight is reasonable, allowing for extended use without too much fatigue. Its cutting waste collector makes cleaning easier and avoids having to collect cut branches one by one. Unlike other models that don't have a collection system, this one helps keep your workspace clean, all while saving time. The cable anti-tear provides additional safety for users working on large surfaces by preventing any accidental disconnection. Finally, its reduced noise level makes it a more pleasant tool to use, even for extended sessions. When compared to other models, the Einhell stands out for its wide cutting width and its blades' high precision. Compared to the 710W trimmer and Tino, which is more affordable at €63.99, the Einhell offers longer blades and superior initiation quality. Compared to the Black & Decker 600W, which costs €118, the Einhell offers a better cutting width and more power, all while being more budget-friendly. On the other hand, if you prefer a cordless model, the Einhell GE-EH 1855, although more expensive, would be a great option to consider for total freedom of movement. In summary, the Einhell GE-EH 7067 is an excellent choice for individuals looking for a powerful, precise, and affordable cutter. Its cutting quality, sturdy materials, and great value for money make it an ideal model for the regular maintenance of your hedges. Check out the link in the description to see the reviews and take advantage of the best deals. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, ciao ciao.